Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is a classic size happy planner called Beauty in Florals, and we are going to be creating a spread for the week of January 31st through February 6th. I am going to be using the Recollections Friends and Wine sticker book. It is very unique and different, and it's kind of cozy, so I figured it would be a good book to use. I'm going to go ahead and start with my sidebar, and while I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are coming back to my channel, thank you so much for choosing to spend some more time with me. I really appreciate you. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy this spread and many more. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some stickers. So I found this clear page with lots of friends. I'm gonna go ahead and add the ones on the couch to the bottom. So Wednesday, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove those harsh lines. Also, if you haven't checked out my giveaway, it is ending on the 30th, so I encourage you to do so. Let's go ahead and add these lovely girls. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those lines around their hands as well, so they're not sliced. And then, because of all of the pink and green elements, I think that's what I'm going to stick with as far as the color combo. So I'll do pinks and this beautiful like mint teal type of color. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and add some daily boxes. I almost always use those for like daily events or the main thing that's happening that day. It's just easier to track when it really stands out at you. So any appointments or anything like that goes in there. I'm gonna try to layer this one, but I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Undo, which is this magic juice that makes your stickers come off without making them unsticky again. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it up, and look how fast it dries. Like, it disappears. Magic. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait until it's dry completely, and I'll add that box in there. So far so good. Now I need some checklists and to-do lists, because that's what my planner is for. I keep my planners extremely functional, so that means that I get to really put down everything I need to do in here. I like them decorated, but I like them to be extremely functional. I'm gonna use a couple of these boxes with decorations on them already. I don't want to repeat the images that I have in a planner, so I'm picking different ones. And as you can see, I am taking down some of the checklists as well as the checklist boxes. So I'm just gonna place those down and see how that looks and kind of go from there. So every day gets a checklist, whether it's a box or a physical bullet point one. And look how cute this quote is. I don't give a sip. Yeah, sometimes I don't give a sip. So it's really cute. And then this one is cheers, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that one as well. Now lift this today and then slip it right under and then layer it like so. I'm gonna add this rosé all day. So I have a whole bunch of different clear stickers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lift those up and add them. Why not? Why not? That's cute. So I'm just adding a few little things, and I think it's gonna make this spread really stand out. Wine-tastic. That's cute too. Okay, so I want to add some elements of the drinks. So I'm going to go ahead and add some drinks to the spread. I think that might be fun, adding just wine glasses and different fruity drinks and making it a little fun. So first and foremost, I'm gonna add these girls right here. I'm gonna make my own kind of group of friends right here. So first we have this one, and then that one is walking, and then this one is facing that way. So we have like our own little trio. I'm gonna add a hand with a wine glass. I'll add a wine glass right there as well. A drink here, a drink here. This can go right on Monday. Cheers to a new week, right? Okay, and this big martini or sangria glass can go right in a corner of Sunday. I just need to go ahead and white out that little area. Like so. I think that's adorable. And then we're gonna add a bottle of wine. Let's see. Right there is perfect. Okay. I'm close to being done with the spread. It just needs a few little things and we'll go from there. I don't know if you're seeing this, but Saturday doesn't have a checklist, so we're gonna go ahead and add a checklist to Saturday so I can get stuff done. And then let's see, washi. I love my washi, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick one. And this one has quite a few little sections, so I'll go ahead and add one section. And then all the other ones are just not long enough to add. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back because I'm sure I'll be using this book at some point again. And then I do want to use this pink polka dot washi, and I'm gonna be adding it to different areas of the spread. So I want to lift up these champagne glasses, and I'm gonna add this pink polka dot strip right there, and then put the glasses down like so, and then put one little cute strip right there, and then right behind them as well. I think that looks really good. And then I want to use one next to the couch, but I think I need to lift that wine glass up so it's not blocked, like so. Yep, I think that looks quite good. And I am officially done with my spread. I hope you guys like this one. I know it's very, very different, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thank you for choosing to spend some time today with me, and have a great day. Bye.